Hey fam, what's up? So if you know me, you know that I'm like super into cutting my own hair, and I've been doing it for like the past year and a half now. You know that I'm like very excited to tell people that I cut my own hair because I'm a college student and college is very expensive and cutting your own hair is free. So it's just one more thing that you don't have to pay for, a little bit of extra money to go towards groceries or books or coffee. And I actually even, funny story, let my boss cut my bangs. Insert clip.
Should I go?
Yeah.
Yeah, do it.
On 3?
Do it. Oh my gosh, do it. Wow, that was a lot of hair.
You have bangs.
You have bang.
Can we do
That didn't work.
here?
What?
Should I go as close to your fingers?
It's the rubber band.
Oh.
Yeah.
Like there?
Yeah.
That was actually a lot tougher to get through.
When she laughs.
Cut my hair because it's a rainy day. Why not? Let's do this. So I think what I'm gonna do is I am going to put a plastic bag or maybe some paper towel in my sink, and then just kind of, I've only trimmed my bangs once since I've had them, and I wasn't the one who originally cut them, so I don't really, I'm still kind of new to that. When 3 people are living together, you literally have so many Target bags. Yeah, so when I originally cut my hair, my bangs, I like took a V, kind of made a V, separated my hair, this into like a little V here, and then twisted it. Well, I guess I didn't do it, my boss, I told him what to do, and then cut it, and it kind of got this little fringe look, and then I kind of fixed it and went around here, the edges. But, oh, sorry Claire, I'm stealing your scissors. That's what roommates are for, right? But now I think I'm just gonna kind of try and follow how it kind of like is shorter and longer here, and see kind of what happens with that. Here we go. The nice thing about hair, oh, I forgot that this gets all over my face. Oh, okay. The nice thing about hair is that you can kind of just do whatever you want. Like, some people are so scared, but I'm like, it grows back, or you just go to a salon if you mess up and like have them fix it. Yeah. Okay, not too bad. It's getting out of my eyes at least. Can't see. I have hair in my eye. Oh. Oh, this is so fun. Keep this a little bit longer. Oh, it's not all over my eye. Oh, I just rubbed off my makeup. Oh well. Wasn't that good anyways, right? No idea what I'm doing. No idea if this is actually how you do it. And then I remember this side being a little bit harder. So, I mean, yeah, it's out of my eyes. You just kind of go slow and start with little pieces. Oh, that's really straight across. Oops. Oh, crap. And then you just kind of keep cutting a little bit shorter and shorter. And then sometimes I see that, I've seen videos where they just kind of like do a little bit of this action where just kind of, I was afraid I'm gonna cut my eyelashes off. Well, yeah. Oh, that was bad. I don't know if you can tell, but I literally have hair everywhere. Oh, okay. I think they're kind of okay. I'm like, oh, I didn't quite fringe that. I don't know why they call them fringe. Is that like just when? Why is it so short up in the middle? Not as good as last time, but they grow really fast, so I just do a little bit of, some of this fun action. Go ching 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 ching. directly into my eye, right? How fun. Such a good time. I don't know. It's a little bit hard to tell when there's a bajillion little hairs on my eyes. Can you see how covered my face is? Like, it's literally everywhere. Yeah, and then you just kind of hope that it kind of angles down a little bit and it's out of my eyes, so that's the good part. I think I'm done. I'm just gonna be done with my bangs for now. I'm not sure if I want to cut my hair right now. When was the last time I cut it? I probably cut it 4 months ago. This is pretty decent. I don't really have any tips to it. I just kind of find whatever scissors you have, aka digging in your roommate's drawers, and just go for it, because why not? So yeah, I don't think it looks too bad. I'll probably end up, like, over the next couple days finding little pieces that I need to cut. That always kind of happens, but that's kind of just trimming your own bangs. This wasn't really a tutorial. Like, I don't know what I'm doing, but it's fun. So I think the only point you get out of this is cut your own hair, because it's a whole lot cheaper, and why not? Like, it grows back, it's fine. I don't know why people worry so much about it. Like, I've had more bad haircuts from people at the salon that I've hated than haircuts that I've given myself, and I've done quite a few. I'll trim my hair just a little bit, take like 1 inch off. I had pretty long hair, like maybe down to here, and then I cut it really short, like up here, and that was even fine. So I think that you just gotta express yourself with your hair, have some fun. You know, it grows back, you only live once, YOLO. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have. I just figured I'd film myself doing this because I tell so many people about me cutting my own hair, and why not have more film evidence of it actually happening? It's not as scary as you think. And so I will see you the next time I have something exciting to film or something worth filming, so we'll see. So peace out.